Last class we discussed S3, right? So what is S3 and how to create buckets and how to upload files and how to give public access and all. Just already last class we seen, right, how it will work. Today we'll see continuation. So anyone any doubt yesterday how to create buckets and how it will work? Krishna. So now how to remove the buckets and all and how to create folders and all. These are some basics only how it will work. So if you want to enable so public access, we need to enable the ACL. Otherwise it won't work. Last class we seen, right? Otherwise we won't work. Now, so now see, for example, so I have one file, correct? So yesterday I uploaded one file. Now see here, this is my bucket name. So this is right how to create bucket and all. If you create bucket and it should be asking a unique name and which region and so we need to enable ownership also. So this object in this object can be owned by AWS account. Access this bucket and object can be specified using the ACL access control list. If you are not enable and so the public access should be disabled. So while creating we can. Now first I am going to upload one file here. See here, upload file and add folder or file, whatever it meant, file only, right? So add file, someone is join, okay. So go to here, where is this? This is add file and just desktop. Where is this? Desktop. Just yesterday I uploaded this file. Just write under dev. Now, so upload the here also we can see some permissions. So how it will work, if you want to permission we can enable. These are the properties storage class we'll see today. Now just click on the upload file. Just assume this is a one file. Same file we are working multiple people in real time, right? Just assume this is the for example this is one document. This is the Confluence page and daily we are updating some steps here. Daily we are updating some steps here. So if you come to here real time, I am not single person, right? Multiple people working parallelly, correct? Now see here, now file is uploaded. Who first? Now uploaded the 7.3. Just now I uploaded, right? So that is the reason it should be visible. The current time and what is this and all file and all. The current time and all file and all. Now just assume. Now go to here, how it will work. So this is my S3 bucket. So this is my X3 bucket. I created this is bucket name, correct? So this is the bucket name. This is my bucket name, DevApps. So I given what is my bucket name. So here my bucket name is DevApps 7. This is my bucket name, correct? So this is my bucket name. Here I uploaded one file. So dev.txt file. So real time multiple people working parallelly, correct? So real time multiple people working parallelly. So how to handle? For example, I am the first. Uh, this is the one guy, dev one. So for example, he is one dev one, and so developer two. I am also working same thing. Multiple people working parallelly. So now I modified same file is same only, but the same file multiple people working. File is same only, but so multiple people working. So DevOps, DevOps guy. Okay. Now first time we can see who uploaded this file. Just assume so developer 1 uploaded this file dev.txt file. Again same file developer 2 also uploaded same file. Now in this case how it will work right now? Anyone? If I upload same file again, just assume for everyone
It will
have
be override
it will be
on
override.
it too.
There is no doubt. So see here, add file, dev, this way, correct? Now uploaded file. Now timestamp also change, and which is the, so click on bucket name and see here earlier 7.3, now 7.6. Got it? Now just assume I want previous version file. For example, developer one uploaded one file and he added some line. Just assume he added few lines. He added some lines and he uploaded file. And same file he also uploaded. He did some changes. He did some changes and he uploaded the file. Now I want to this guy, developer one, so uploaded file, right? I want to that data. So up to that data. So now as of now, is it possible? No, right? Which is the latest, who uploaded latest. So that data, that version only we can see. So as of now here there is no versioning. As of now here there is no versioning. Here concept is version concept. Now see here, go to here, click on new bucket. I am using Mumbai region bucket name DevOps. So 7777, just I given enqueue name purpose Mumbai region only. And if you want to enable, we can enable. Otherwise leave it. So now I am going to give so bucket version. So here there is a one option is available. See here there is a one option. So this is very important. So versioning is a meaning of keeping multiple variants of objects in the same object. I am going to upload same file multiple people, but every resource they are modifying something and they are uploading. I want to know that versioning. So you can use versioning to prevent and retrieve and restore every version of every object stored in the S3 bucket. Now we need to enable this one. We need to enable this one. So as of now I didn't enable, that is the reason we cannot see. Now here also we can see. Now see here and duplicate. Now S3 bucket. Now S3, S3, right? So this is the S3 bucket. And see here, if we click on here, so as of now, so here there is no versioning option. Here there is no versioning and all. If you see here, it will come one more option extra versioning. Now we'll see that one. I'm going to create new bucket, enable. So this and all same only. Just I enable only. Where is that version option? Versioning. This one only. Bucket version. Okay. So enable this one, and so just create bucket. Create so bucket. Now so this is the my this one. Now see here there is one more extra option. If we click on previous bucket, so did you see this option, show versions? అర్థమవుతుందా? If we click on this, is there any option here? Got it? Clear, Shiva, Kiran, Sai, clear?
Yes, clear.
Okay, now if you go here, see, if you see here this new one, so we can see one more option. What is that? So what is my bucket name? My bucket name, this one, sorry, bucket, and refresh. Two buckets, right? This, click on this. Now see here. Now I am going to upload one file here. Upload same file only. Add file, dev, just assume. Now see here, uploaded. That's it. So now just assume this is, as of now we can see only one file, right? We can see if you click on here, we need to add one more thing. What I need to enable. So go to here, permissions, edit action, and we need to give which one? This one also we need to enable public access all on. We need to enable this one also. Edit and remove all. Just save. So confirm. Okay. Now go to here. Go to object. Click on this. and copy this URL, just paste it. Still not enable. Wait, something is missing. Anything missing? Maybe it is not saved. Enable permissions, edit this read access, right? Just read access, enable. I understand. Save it. Now it will work. So refresh. Now see here, it will work. Now just assume this is the first one resource just updated. Same file, just assume one more. For example, developer to modify the same file. So just assume edit and just I'm giving for understanding purpose that save it. Just save it. Now again I am uploading same file. Now try to understand. So again I am uploading same file. Now see here, this is the 810 710, right? This is the 710. Now again I'm going to upload and select add file and select this file, open. Now upload it. Now see here. So if you see here, we can see latest time 712, right? 712. So this is the latest uploaded file version only. No, sir. I want to see my previous version also. So if you see here, if you see here, permissions already I enable. If you want to enable, and so understand this version, save and changes, and click on this, go to upload here. Now see here, now got it. This is the latest version, right? So whichever file he uploaded. Now I want to see both versions. I want to see both versions. Who uploaded which version and all. Now there is a, so if we click on here, and there is one version is there. Show versions. This is very important. So versions means, and how many times, how many people uploaded same file, how many times they modified, and how many versions available we can see. Now see here. I hope you got it right. Now see here. This is the 710 timestamp also we can see. This is the 712. Suppose if I upload one more time, suppose this guy modified, this guy modified. So again he modified some more lines and he uploaded. We can see that version also. We can see that version also. Clear? Anyone any doubt here? If we click on show versions, so how many people modified, how many times uploaded this file, so we can see that entire information, last modified time, what is the version ID, and we can see this and all. Anyone any doubt? Clear? Vartai?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay, this is the very important. So real time this should be enabled. This should be enabled. Now if you see here, what is storage class type? Storage class type. Now see here, what is the storage class type default? Standard. Next question, very important. This is also very, why we need to enable versioning concept. Same file, if you modified multiple people or if you uploaded multiple times, if you want to track that information. Now, so if you see this file, in this file, we can see only one line. If you see in this file, how many lines we can see? Two lines, right? This is the, so see here, now got it. So that is the reason. So we can see, we can enabling versioning. Suppose if I modified one more line, if I second, for example, one more guy modified the same file, and so just I'm giving for understanding purpose save. Now if I upload, so it will show current date and time. Which version you want, we can use it. That is your wish. So now go to buckets, click on this, and so upload file, and I am uploading same file only, this one, upload it, and just upload it. Now observe here. Now see here, right now we can see latest time. Now if you want to see how many times this file modified, so that and all, if you want to track it, we need to enable show versions. Now see here, clear. 10, 710 one time you uploaded, and 712 also one time you uploaded, 715 also uploaded. This is the version ID. So based on it is maintaining one EQ ID for every time. I hope you got it right. Anyone any doubt here? Now which is your latest file? Which is the latest version here? This one or this one or this one? Latest version. Top one. Top one. Which is top? That is the latest one. So that is the latest one. And here also we can see size also. See, size also changed. Standard. Now if
Time
you
also changes.
time also changed. Now we can easily check it. For example, yesterday I modified my file and I uploaded. So if I see next day, someone again they modified, so they uploaded. If you want to see, we can check it here. We can check it here. So this is the versioning. Mostly we are maintaining tracking. I don't want this version. If you want to, we can use this one also. We can use only this particular one. Now, who is this one? Particular one. I'll enable it. This one. So this is the versioning. Now one more very important one. So here I am uploading so files and folders, right? So there is a storage class. So there is types of storage class. S3 storage class types. Very important. Enter also storage class types. So most of the people they are asking this question. So what are the storage class types in S3? So if we click on storage class, so these are the types, guys. By default here we can see one storage class type. If you not change anything, what is the default storage class type for file or anything? See here, what is the default one? Standard only. So as of now I didn't touch anything, this one storage class name. So if you upload any file, if you create any folder also, so now check it here. I am going to create one folder, create folder, and so folder name, so test folder, just I'm giving 123, just add it, create folder, and see here. Now this is, see, now this is folder, right? We don't have any file. If you upload any file, upload, add, not folder, I want to add file, whatever you want, so we can check it. Upload it. So now click on folder. Now see here, for this default storage class also standard. If you upload any file, by default what is the storage class type? Standard only. So storage class type standard only. Storage class type standard only. Now if you click on here, now if you go to here somewhere, we can see one option, right? Storage class. Now if we edit, so these are the types, guys. So see here, these are the types, storage class types. Enter also very important. So what are the storage class types? Now see here, by default standard. Now if you go here, see here standard. What is standard? Standard means, so see, S3 storage class. So here we can see standard for frequently accessed data. So there is some purpose. Each storage class type we can use some purpose. So that is the reason we are using. One is S3 means this is frequently accessed data. Now there is one more type, S3 IT. That is we are using, so S3 intelligent tiering. See here, and this is express one zone. There is one more storage class, X zone. Most frequent access data, and standard infrequent access. Standard infrequent access. So and standard one zone infrequent access. This is for less frequently accessed data. And there is S3. See here, glacier instant retrieval. So this is for archive data that needs immediate access. So these are the types based on your file usage, based on your file usage. And if you want to change one storage class to another storage class, we can use so this one. These are the types. We need to remember at least 455. Enter very very important. Many people asked this question. Can you explain so few storage class types? So these are the storage class types. So now here also we can see every file in right side there is one option storage class. If you are not change anything, by default the storage class name is standard only. Any file, if you upload any file, default storage class name is standard only. This like this standard and so express one zone and standard IA infrequent access standard IA and so S3 one zone IA glacier instance. This is based on your purpose. We can change it. We can change it. So mostly, which is the default one? Standard. This is the frequently accessed data. No, no, no. I don't want most frequent access data. If you want, we can change this type also. See here, S3 express one zone. So if you change this, so for your most frequently accessed data. No, no, I am using so S3 standard infrequent access. So only only for right this and all standard IA infrequent one zone infrequent access for less frequently accessed data. So based on your usage only. So how this file can be you are going to use. So every day we are going to work with this file. Every day we are going to use this file, or only very less frequently we are using this file, or a very right. So most frequently used data we need how we want. So based on this we can change. This is the one very very important question. And one more time, S3 storage, S3 life cycle. So F3 is life cycle. Life cycle means so there is two options: transition phase and so expiration actions. Transition action and expiration action. So now these are the storage class, right? So after 30 days, for example, I uploaded one file. So but is this is now I uploaded, but after 30 days I am not using this file, right? I want to change one storage class to another storage class. So there is a very very important storage so life cycle, how it will work. See here there is two types: transition actions and expiration actions. See here, these actions define when object transits to one storage class. For example, you might choose transition object S3 standard IA storage class 30 days after creation them, and I want to change this storage class to another storage class. This is a transition actions. See, retrievals to one year after creating them. Whatever you want, we can set. So expiration means this action defined when object expire, deletes expired objects on your behalf. So I created one file. See here, right? For example, I created DevOps file, but I am not using this file. So after 3 months, after 30 days, I don't want this file. Automatically it is delete. I want to delete this file. I want to delete this file. If you want to, we can delete manually. Or if you want to change one storage class to another storage class, you can do manually also. No, no, no. But I uploaded this file, but I forgot this file. Space waste, right? Just assume this is the file. This file size is 1 TB. Okay. This file size is 1 TB, right? So they will charge, right? AWS people, they will charge 1 TB or 5 on 1 TB. Anything, just assume. I uploaded this file. I uploaded this file. But I forgot this file. So if you forget means, so who will delete this file? Anyone will delete this file? No, right? Now got it. ఇప్పుడు నేను దీన్ని అప్లోడ్ చేశాను, బై మిస్టేక్ నేను మర్చిపోయినాను. సో I uploaded this file, 1 TB data file I uploaded in this folder. Here I uploaded. Unfortunately, I forgot this file, and so they are maintaining this file, right? AWS people, they will charge, correct? So after 30 days, I don't want this file. If you want to, we can delete after 30 days, you also, no problem. No, I want to, there is AWS people, so S3 there is some life cycle, storage life cycle. Storage life cycle means so transition actions. Transition action means if you want to change one storage class to another storage class, I am not going to use frequently. See here, I am not going to frequently means we can use anyone. See, rarely access long term. I can change this so S3 Glacier flexible retrieval. Now got it. So if you want to change one storage, this is the use case. So standard means this is the most frequently accessed. This is the frequently accessed data. So if you want to change so one zone also, one zone frequently accessed. This is less frequently accessed data. So based on your usage, less frequently accessed. How we can you need to maintain your files. Okay, that is one case. Second case. So I want to change automatically one storage class to another storage class. There is one more option. This is the expiration. I don't want. After 30 days, I want to delete this file. Right? So like some automation. So I uploaded this file. After 30 days, I don't want this file. Automatically, I want to expire, delete. After 30 days, I want to delete this file. Delete this. So delete this file. అర్థమవుతోందా? What, Kiran? Clear? Anyone, any doubt
Yes,
here?
sir.
So what is very, very important? Interview purpose. So what are the storage class types? So these are the types. Just remember all, or if possible, or else at least you remember 3 to 4. Okay. So which is the default one? Standard only. And next S3 intelligent tiering. So this is the, so which case we are going? This is standard. Frequently accessed data. Now, so S3 express one zone, most frequent access data. If you want to most frequent access data, we can change this storage class also. And these all are, so they will charge minimum charge if you change. Now this is the S3 express one zone. Suppose there is standard IA, infrequent access. S3 one zone standard IA, infrequent access. So see here, standard infrequent access and S3 one zone. So less frequent access data, less frequently accessed data. I am not using daily. So some case I am using rarely. So that case we can select these two. Now there is a Glacier instance retrieval, and so Glacier flexible retrieval. Now see here, instance retrieval means archive data that needs immediate access. Archive means right, like zip file and all. Now flexible retrieval. This is rarely accessed long term. This is also Glacier flexible retrieval and does not require immediate access. Now there is a Glacier, so deep archive. So for long term archive and digital presentation which retrieval in 1 hour at so lowest cost standard in the cloud. So these and all based on your requirement we can change whatever you standard class you want, we can use it. By default one is standard only. Next, intelligent tiering, and so S3 express one zone, X3 standard IA. So these two are the infrequent access, and this is the archive data. You want to immediate access or you want to see here. So not require immediately, and based on this, so we can select anyone. These are the types, guys. So these are the types. So these are the types. So these are the types. Very, very important. Okay. So very, very important. So these are the types. Just remember. So standard. Now, so this is the life cycle. Life cycle means, so there is two phases. One is transition, transition actions, and the second one is expiration action. After how many days you want to expire, and one storage class to another storage class, how to change it, we can change it. Just noted this, very, very important. Interview many people they ask this question, and so if they touch any question in S3 bucket, mostly they are asking so what are the storage class types, and what is storage class, storage life cycle, and these are the two types: transition actions and expiration action. Transition means one storage class to another storage class. Expire means after how many, after this many days I want to delete this object, I want to do some action, that thing we can set it here. Now come to here, we'll see how it will work. Now this is okay, right? Now this is okay. Now the default on the this one. Now see here. Now, so if we click on management, so these are the life cycle rules. See here, life cycle rules. Now select any object. Now we select any object. So see here, click on this. So click on this, and so click on this and select anyone. Select anyone, and so I selected this dev.txt file, and so this one. So these are permission already, right? These are the versions and all already enabled version, right? We can see versions here also. Now go to here. Now select this one, and so click on management. If you go here, this is the life cycle rules. See here, use life cycle rules to define action you want to Amazon S3 take during the object life cycle, such as see here, transferring object to another storage class and archiving them and deleting them after specified period. So everything we can here itself understand how it will work. If you want to change one storage class to another storage class, we can change it. Or if you want to archiving item, or if you want to delete the item. So these are the life cycle rules. Now click on life cycle rule. Do you have any life cycle rule here? No, right? Do you have any life cycle rule? No. So these are the two types. These are the storage class types, and these are the storage life cycle. So type two types. Now I go to here. Where is this one? Right. Now create life cycle rule. This is very simple only, but you need to understand concept. So life cycle rule name, we can give any name, guys. Up to 255 characters we can give any name. For example, my DevApps. I give one so rule. Next, choose rule. So limit the scope of the rule using one or more filter, or apply all objects. So now this is a only one file, right? For example, if you select folder, folder maybe contain multiple files. If you want to apply all files, so we can select this one also. See here, apply to all objects in the bucket. So in the bucket, so if you have multiple files, if you want to apply, we can select this one also. Now it is applicable for all. It is applicable for all. Now select this one. Anyway, I am giving. Now see here, life cycle rule actions. Move current version of object between storage classes. Move non-current version of the object. Expire current version of the object. So I want to expire, and so permanently delete non-current version of the object. These all are related to rule actions. Which action you want to perform. So this is this and all based on your requirement. Whatever you want, we can select it. So I want to delete, permanently delete non-current version. So for example, if any file not versioning, not versioning, so I want to delete that file. So we can select delete expired object, delete markers and incomplete multiple uploads. Yes, whatever you want. So you select. Now, so expire current version of object. Now see here, number of days, days after object creation. So నాకు ఎక్స్పైర్ అయిపోవాలి, ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఎక్స్పైర్ అవ్వాలి. దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఐ వాంట్ టు డిలీట్, రైట్? సో ఆఫ్టర్ హౌ మెనీ డేస్? నౌ సీ హియర్, డేస్ ఆఫ్టర్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ క్రియేషన్. సి క్లియర్? సో how many days? Now I am giving so after 30 days. After 30 days I want to expire. That's it. Now permanently delete. I want to delete permanently. Okay. So now see here, days. So number of versions. See number of new versions. Up to I am giving two versions only. I am also giving 30 days. After 30 days I don't want this object. I want to so delete whatever you want. See here, permanently delete. I selected, right, based on this one only. Which option you selected? So those many options should be enabled here. Now got it. So now delete expired object, delete marker, and are incomplete. So multi-part uploads also. Whatever you want, we can enable. So like this, and so we can set it. Now see here, and move the. I don't want this one. Now see here, I move one storage class to another storage class. See here, standard IA, transition current version, right? So there is two types, right? One is transition action. What is this? Is simply if you want to understand. Transition means simply transition means one storage class to or SI. Transition means one storage class to another storage class.
Storage class.
One storage. Default, what is the storage class name? Standard. Correct? Default one.
Yes.
So now I want to move this, I want to perform this one storage class to another storage class. See here, choose storage class transition. After 30 days, I want to, so see minimum at least 30 days. See here, they are giving minimum 30 days. If I give more than 30 also, it won't work. Okay, see after 30 days, I want to choose storage class. Now see here, these are the storage class types. Right? By default, my object storage class standard only. After 30 days, I want to move standard IA infrequent access. Now see here, now I'm giving more than, for example, 35. It won't work. Now see here, create rule. See here, 0 newest non-current version and all, what is the error? And also here also we need to set numbers. So I selected 2, right? Okay. Now I'm removing this one. Only I've given one. Now create rule. Now see here, I created. Now click on here, lifecycle rule, and these are the lifecycle rule name. And so enable status, and so retrieval transaction. I given here standard away. It is supporting 35 days. So if you want to modify again, so here edit option and go to here. We can select based on requirement, whatever you want. See here. So whatever you want, how many days, after number of days. So value is required. So whatever. For example, if I select, I don't want this one. I want to intelligent tiering. Whatever, that is your wish. So I want to change one zone IA. Okay, number of days. After number, see minimum 30 days. Minimum 30 days. If I give 29 days, it won't allow. In if we give minimum 30 days, see here, we'll get error message. Save. So what is this? The valid integer number after, see here, the minimum 30 days to require before the this transitioning to the one zone. I want to move after 30 days standard to one zone IA. We need to give minimum 30 days. And what is this here? This is also so valid integer number. So here also minimum 30 days. We need to give at least 30 days. At least 30 days. So if you want to more also it will work, but less it won't work. Okay, you need to at least minimum 30 days. Just create a save. So now I need to understand. Yes, this and all, this is your rule. Simply if you want to understand, rule is nothing but, right? Right. If you want to, so these are the two types. So life cycle rules, life cycle rules. So one is transition action, one is expiration. Transition means after how many days I want to move one storage class to another storage class. That is the transition actions. And expiration action means, so after so 30 days or 60 days or 90 days, I want to do some actions, the particular my object. So that case we can select this one, minimum 30 days and maximum we can, based on they are giving some instructions, we can configure whatever you want. I hope you got it right. So anyone any doubt here? So this and all based on your requirement. So if really needed, we can configure. If you don't want, leave it. So that case, these are the life cycle rule actions. See here. So total 5 rules. So total 5 rules. Move current version of object between storage class and move non-current version. This is means if you are not enable any versioning that objects, and expire version of object, and permanently delete so non-versioning objects, and delete expire object, delete marker as incomplete and all. Whatever you want, we can select. I hope you got it right. Anyone any doubt here? This is the so interview mostly they are asking these two questions only. Note it. So what are the storage class types? And so what is the storage life cycle? Storage life cycle rules. Only two transition actions. One storage class to another storage class. Expire means I want to do some action. Expire action. Define when object should be expire. So that's it. So that and all we can see here based on these options. Now we can see here based on these options. So these are the actions. Move current version. Move current version of object between storage class. Move non-current version and expire current version. Permanently delete non-current and delete expired object. Delete mark as deleted and all. So if you select this one, and automatically it should be enabled here. After days after object creation, how many days? See here, I want to expire after. So how many days? 30 days or 50 days, 20 days I want to. So what we need to do? Expire. So these are. Suppose if I select this option, permanently delete. One more option. See here, after number of versions, how many versions you want. So you can up to 100 versions. It is maintaining up to 100 versions. It is maintaining up to 100 versions, and so number of days. So expire require number of days. So I need 60 days. After 2 months I want to, so I need to maintain only so 20 versions, and I want to delete that one. That's it. Permanently delete. Now if you enable one more option, delete expired option, so marked incomplete and all. So this and all if you enable means automatically this option should be enabled, and we can configure whatever you want. Number of days, so integer must be greater than 0. I want at least 5 days. Whatever you want. Remaining things everything we can understand here how it will work. This action will remove the expired object, delete marker, and so improve the performance. So it is deleted, it is showing delete option also, deleted option like that. And we can suppose in real time, right, we are uploading multiple files, not only one two. For example 100 so files I uploaded, so that is waste, right? So some objects I am not using frequently, some objects I want to delete after 30 days, only some a few objects I want to use daily. So based on this we can set these condition rules. If you are not set these all conditions, what is happening? All objects, so it is reside in the same S3 bucket. That is for waste, right? Storage waste. Few files I am not using, right? So that case, so mostly we are using, this is the life cycle rule. Need to remember. So this is the transition actions and expiration action. Anyone any doubt as of now? Clear how it will work? So here two questions very important. Storage class types. S3, S3 storage types. At least remember at least 3 4. Next life cycle rules. So this is one is transition, right? So this and all. So what is, just note it, just how we understand, just note whatever you want, just understand and remember. These are the types. So no need to tell all. If you remember all, good, very good. At least remember so 3 4. So what is standard, default standard, what is standard IA, and S3 one zone IA, infrequent access, what is S3 glacier instance retrieval, glacier flexible retrieval. Just at least remember what you simple, right? That and all just remember. Now one more. Clear guys? Clear Karen? Next move on to, so one more option. Very important. See here. Now go to here. Now so if you go to management, there is replication rules. Here there are asking one interview question. If you want to configure replication rule, we should enable one option. What is that option? Anyone? Now this is the rules, right? Rules, you know how we can configure and all. Now this is the rules, life cycle rules. Now one more option, there is replication rules. So if you want to work with replication rule, That is mandatory. We should enable one option. So this is interview also many people they asked. Without object versioning enable, is it possible to configure replication rules? Anyone? Replication rule. I want to configure replication rule. If you want to configure replication rule, we need to enable which one? This option, right? Already you know. So what is this one? If you go to bucket, if you go to here, we can see versions, show versions. This we should be enabled. So we need to enable this one. Enable, enable versions. Suppose if you are not enabled, we cannot configure. This is the one question here. So how it will work means we'll see. For example, replication means this is the one object. And this is one more object. Here I'm going to create two objects. So here what is my object name? We can. So this is the object name, right? Just assume. This is my object name. I'm going to create one more object. Same like this. I'm going to create one more object. For example, I'm giving 888, 4 8s. I'm going to create one more object. So a replication means vice versa. So like share drive, right? For example, here I uploaded one file, dev.txt. If you configure replication rule, so if you upload any file in this bucket, automatically it is reflected in here also. Automatically it is reflecting here also. That's it. Automatically it is reflecting here also. Now got it? Anyone any doubt guys here? Very simple. If I upload any file dev.txt, so that is automatically reflected here also. Suppose if I uploaded any one more file, for example abc data, okay, abc file, so automatically it is uploaded, automatically it is reflected here also. So we can configure same account or we can configure different accounts also. That is your wish. Same account, or if you want to different account also you can configure. That is your wish. So this is the replication rule. See here there is one more option. If you go to management, there is one more option, replication rules. See here, use replication rules to define options to want to Amazon S3 to apply during applications such as server side encryption and replication worship, and so transitioning replicas to another storage class and more. If you want to simply, if you want to understand how it will work. Now see here, this is live replications and on-demand replications, cross-region replications, single region replications. We can configure many ways. So see here, if you want to, we can configure same region, single region. If you want to, we can configure a cross region also. Whatever we want, we can do it. So this is a very simple only. The simple concept is like this. If you upload anything, automatically I want to reflect here also. So if you want to do like this, so we need to configure. This is the replication rule. Now see here, bucket, create new bucket, DevOps. I'm giving bucket name. Now I'm giving so same region only, same region only. That is your wish. So where we can see that one, same region or different region. That is your wish. So I close that one. So here, right, cross region, or we can use single region also. Now I'm going to create right now same region. See here, my this bucket also same region. Here also it is available same region. This is also available in same region. That is your wish. If you want to cross region or same region. Right now I am using, this is my Mumbai region, correct? So AWS, which region, both are same region only. Or if you want to, we can so create so different region. That is your wish. So this is also same region, and this is also same region available. This is also same region. Very simple only. Concept is very simple. Just we need to understand how it will work. So this is nothing but replication. Now, so I created one bucket first, and so bucket name, and whatever you want we can do. And so this should be so enable without bucket versioning, and we cannot configure replication rule. This is the one basic question, okay. Now I am not enable. Now see how it will work. Now I created so two buckets. Just try to understand. Now I have two buckets. This one bucket, and this is also one bucket. So here already I have few files. Okay. So if you want to confuse means delete this one. So confirm delete. How it will work? Now I delete this one. Click on this. I have only one file. And if you go here, this bucket, I don't have anything. Now I'm going to configure these two buckets. Same region. Same region. Now how it will come? Now go to here. Now go to click on this and go to management, and this is a replication rule. Create replication rule. So replication rule name, okay, DevOps replication rule, same region. I'm giving same region for understanding purpose, okay. Now choose whether rule will be enable or disable. Yes, I want to enable. That's it. Next, source bucket. Which is your source bucket, guys? Here, which is source, which is destination? Anyone? ఇక్కడ మన సోర్స్ ఏది, డెస్టినేషన్ ఏది? సోర్స్ మీన్స్ ఫస్ట్ వన్, మీరు ఎక్కడ అప్లోడ్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నారో దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ సోర్స్. డెస్టినేషన్ మీన్స్ వేర్ వి వాంట్ టు సో కాన్ఫిగర్. నౌ క్లియర్? క్లియర్? వాట్ కిరణ్?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is source. Here this is the source, and this is the destination. This is the destination. This is the source, and this is the destination. Destination. That's it. This is the source, so this is the destination. Now source I need to select this one, correct. Now choose rule, apply all objects in the bucket. Yes. Now here destination. See here one more option. Destination. See you can select which bucket. See here. If you want to, we can configure another account also. See here. If you want to, we can configure. Specify the bucket in the another account. So same account, right? Same account. Browse. And so which is your where you want to configure this one. Correct? So this is my source. This is my 7777 source. 8888. This is the destination. Select this destination. That's it. Choose path. Now here it is one error message. Already you know, right? See what is the error message? Replication requires versioning to be enabled for the destination object. Otherwise it won't work. This is very important. Interview also many people they asked. I want to configure replication. If you want to configure replication, which is mandatory? Which is mandatory?
Enable version.
Enabling version is the mandatory. Just enable it. That's it. Now the remaining, if we have any roles, we can select it. And so right now I don't have my own role. Create a new role. That's it. Automatically it will create. You don't worry. Now that's it. Remaining and all optional, additional requirement options, how it will work and all we can see. Okay. Save the rule. That's it. Now see here. Yes, existing object also. No, do not replicate existing objects. Now what is meaning? Already one object available here. Do you want to apply this object also? Yes means what is happening here? Yes means existing objects also it will applicable. No means it won't applicable for already existing objects. Now I'm giving yes, submit. So that's it. Okay, create. Here what is this? Completion destination. Already I selected it. Created or not? Go to here, replication rule. Go to management, and the life cycle, this is the replication already is created. Okay, now see here. So this is the replication rule. Now click on this, already everything okay. This is the source, this is my source bucket, and this is my destination bucket name, and I configure some encryption default options remaining and all we can enable. Okay, now come to here buckets. Now just refresh it, just refresh it. Okay, click on here. Now click on here. Now still it is not uploaded. Sometimes it won't work immediately, so we need to check this one whether it really saved or not properly. Now go to here, go to management, replication rule, and edit replication rule, already enable. This is all objects only. Okay, correct only. Okay, now go to here, replication rule. Just first time, right? It will take some time. I faced that issue, but anyway, I'm going to create one new file. I'm going to upload. We can easily understand how it will work. So go to here, source. Which is source? This one. I'm going to upload one file. Upload file, upload file, and add file. I'm going to upload. So this is the file I'm uploading. Okay, just upload the file. So where I uploaded this file? Which bucket I uploaded? 7777. Don't confuse here. 777 లో upload చేశాను. Now I need to check whether it is really uploaded here or not. That is our target. Now go to here, bucket. So now click on here. So refresh it till it is not uploaded. It will come here. So it will come here. That is our target. So that is our target. So already available, right? 61 I uploaded. There is one more option also is there. Update. Where is that update option? Priority, action, edit. So status enable also priority. Okay, 777. Apply all objects already here, right? So apply all objects only. Apply all objects only. This is same only. This is this and all same only. No need to worry. I want to sync means if you want to sync means we can sync also. So see here replicate. So metadata changes replicate from the destination bucket in source bucket. Yes, I want to sync. Save it. Sync means you know, right? No need to select that one all. Immediately it will work. Sometimes it will so come bit late. Click on this. Now here this and all, right? Now same way buckets. Now click on this buckets. Now see here. Now see here. Automatically which this is the source or this is the destination? Double eight double eight. Source or destination?
Business.
Destination. So like this. So for example, this is my account. Okay, Kiran is in a different account. Okay, he is in different account, and so he need my files. He need my files. Okay, so that case, what should I do? I am going to configure replication. I am going to configure replication. I am uploading few files here, and he want that file. So that case we need to select so different account while creating replication rule. We need to select so different right, a different account. So there it is asking your account name and your bucket name. If you configure, if I upload any file my bucket, so in our account you can see my files, you can see my files. అర్థమవుతుందా? Now got it. We can create a same account, or we can configure different account also. So it is asking your account name, your bucket name. Different account also, if you want to, you can configure, and it is asking your bucket name. So if you configure, so if I upload any file here, so that file automatically reflected in your account, not here, your account also it will reflect your bucket. So that case, so mostly we go for, so this is the replication rule. Automatically I want to replicate, so here also. So if you want to, we can configure same account and same region and different region, or also different account also we can configure. Clear, Sai? Anyone any doubt here?
Clear, sir.
Okay. సో దిస్ అండ్ ఆల్ ఇవన్నీ మన రియల్ టైంలో మీకు యాక్సెస్ ఉంటేనే క్రియేట్ చేయొచ్చు. మీకు యాక్సెస్ లేదనుకో వీ కెనాట్ డూ ఎనీథింగ్. ఐఎం రోల్లో వాళ్ళు సెట్ చేస్తుంటారు. S3 బకెట్ ఫుల్ యాక్సెస్ ఇస్తే వీ కెన్ డూ ఆల్ దీస్ థింగ్స్. బట్ ఎనీవే ప్రాక్టీస్, రైట్? సో దిస్ ఈజ్ యువర్ ఓన్ అకౌంట్, రైట్? వాట్ ఎవర్ యూ వాంట్, సో వీ కెన్ డూ ఇట్. ఓకే. సో దట్స్ ఇట్. దీస్ ఆర్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ టాపిక్స్. జస్ట్ నోట్ ఇట్ అండ్ సో లెర్న్. If you attend any interview, just check it whether they have what type of questions they will ask and all. So that's it from my side today. And